Good evening, everybody. This is the Balloon Bandit Amusement with a Twist Orlando, and we're in 2018. This is February 1st. I've been going over the messages that you guys have sent or comments you've sent, and there was a request for Widget and Walden from wubbzy. We're doing the first of two. This is the concept for Widget, and if you're interested in the how-to video, it is going to be released in the next day or two. Please understand that this is a concept balloon and the colors are not right because I don't have the colors. This should be rose, this should be pink, this should be rose. The gloves are purple in color, and this is the closest I had. The shirt is white, and this should be pink. This is the head and the ears, which it should be pink. But the design, we're using the Mario and Minion overalls. And basically the shirt design. You do not have to use the 160s. You can extend your arm all the way to the gloves. And you don't have to use the 160s in the leg. You can extend your leg all the way to the shoes. That is your choice. But if you wanted to make it the way the picture shows, this is pink, this is rose. Okay? So that would separate the two designs from the same color. Unless you just wanted to make it a single color, that's up to you. Okay? So, again, this is Widget from wubbzy, and this has been the Balloon Bandit Amusement with a Twist. Like, share, comment below, and if you're interested in seeing the how-to tutorial, it will be released, let's see, today is Wednesday, so I believe Monday I will be releasing the how-to video on this one, okay? So take care, be safe, enjoy, and like always, subscribe if you like seeing balloon twisting videos.